good old egg. We all love eggs. Let me ask you something. How do you usually cook your eggs? Fried, scrambled, maybe in a cheesy omelet? Well, that's most people. And that's exactly why many people are missing the real health benefits of eggs. Now, you might be eating eggs every day and still not absorbing all of the nutrients in the eggs and what it can offer you. Let me explain to you why. So whether you're vegan or vegetarian or carnivore, science says that eggs are one of the most complete foods on the planet. Some people are against the eggs for various reasons, and that's fine. But if you've been watching my page, you know that I promote the idea of being a flexitarian, that you can recognize that a range of foods taken in, moderation is a healthier choice than an extreme diet that says, don't eat any of that, don't eat any of that, and eat only this or only that. That's, but it's your choice. So anyway, eggs, let me just get into the nutrient profile. They're packed with, protein. They're rich in choline. That's powerful for the brain, liver, and prostate health. Eggs are loaded with vitamins A, D, E, B12, and key minerals like zinc and selenium. But here's the kicker. It's how you cook the eggs that changes everything. So fried eggs, especially in seed oils, corn oil and vegetable oil, at high heat, that causes oxidation. So the cholesterol in the yolk gets damaged, which creates inflammatory byproducts in your body. Fried eggs are actually harmful for you. Scrambled eggs, they're fluffy, they're tasty, but they're often cooked very fast and hot on hot heat. So you lose a lot of the vitamin A, most of the vitamin A, a lot of the choline, and a lot of the delicate enzymes that support hormonal health. You lose it. It's a little bit better than frying eggs, if you keep the heat lower, don't cook them so fast. And boiled eggs, my favorite. That smell, that sulfur smell, well, that's a powerful detox mineral. It might stink a little bit, but your liver loves it, right? Your body loves it. So here's what I suggest you do. Soft boiled eggs, you cook them in low heat. The yolk is just starting to firm up. Still a little runny. Whites are just starting to set. No oxidation. You got maximum nutrition, retention, easier to digest, keeps your testosterone up, keeps your prostate calm and your energy clear. And if you want to go further, you add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper with your meal. Top it off with some, fresh parsley or a little bit of sea salt. Boom. And now you have an anti-inflammatory hormone balancing breakfast. Okay? Low cooking, low heat. Just take it off the pot, off the heat, just when it's starting to come together. Now, some people ask about raw eggs. Aren't they more nutritious? Yeah, it's true. Raw eggs preserve more of the delicate nutrients and enzymes and minerals. But the downside is raw egg whites contain a compound called avidin, which blocks the absorption of biotin, which is essential for your skin, nerves, and prostate. Plus, your body absorbs less protein from raw eggs compared to the cooked ones. And then, of course, there's the risk of salmonella and other elements, unless you're sourcing it from a trusted farm. If you have your own farm, So the best move is lightly cooked, like soft boiled or poached. That way you get all of the benefits with none of the risk. So eggs are next level nutrition as long as you're eating and preparing them correctly, So you don't just eat them for the taste, eat them for the nutrition profile, and you gotta prepare them properly. Stop frying the eggs, please. fried egg on a bagel. So anyway, hope this helps some people. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, who eats eggs every day. Make sure you're eating the eggs properly. Let's get healthy. And your prostate will thank you numerously.